No windshield, no roof, no compromises. Imagine climbing into a Mercedes that looks like it escaped straight from a concept car sketchbook, one that costs around $1–2 million and asks a very simple question: how much comfort are you willing to give up for pure emotion? This is the Mercedes-AMG PureSpeed, and it might be one of the wildest road-legal cars Mercedes has ever dared to imagine. From the very first glance, the PureSpeed doesn't look like a normal car at all. There's no windshield staring back at you, no A-pillars, no roofline. Instead, what you see is an open cockpit inspired directly by Formula One and classic speedsters of the past. Mercedes calls this a modern interpretation of racing heritage, but honestly, it feels more like a statement. A statement that says this car was never meant to be practical, it was meant to make you feel alive. The design is low, aggressive, and dramatic from every angle. The nose stretches forward with a long, sculpted hood that flows into massive air intakes, clearly designed to feed a hungry engine and manage airflow at high speeds. The headlights are slim and sharp, giving the car a focused, almost predatory expression. From the side, the bodywork hugs the mechanical components tightly, leaving nothing unnecessary. Everything you see has a purpose, or at least looks like it does, but the most shocking part is right where the windshield should be. Instead of glass, Mercedes uses a halo-style structure similar to what you see in modern Formula One cars. This reinforced element rises in front of the driver and passenger, designed to protect occupants in case of a rollover or impact, while keeping the cockpit completely open to the sky. It's not just for show, it's a serious piece of safety engineering, adapted from the highest level of motorsport. Sitting inside the PureSpeed is an experience that's hard to compare to any normal road car. You don't step into it, you drop into it. The seats are deeply sculpted, holding you in place because there's no windshield to shield you from wind, speed, or reality. Every control is focused on the driver, with premium materials everywhere you look. Leather, carbon fiber, metal accents, all finished to the level you'd expect from a seven-figure Mercedes. There's no traditional dashboard dominating your view. Instead, the instruments are compact and purposeful. You're meant to look ahead, feel the road, and stay connected to the machine. At speed, the wind hits your helmet or face directly, depending on how brave you are. Mercedes even designed special aerodynamic helmets for this car, because yes, driving it fast without a windshield is that intense. Now let's talk about what really matters under the skin. The PureSpeed is based on AMG Hypercar architecture, meaning this isn't just a showpiece. It's a serious performance machine. Power comes from a hand-built AMG V8, likely the same twin-turbocharged engine used in cars like the AMG GT Black Series. We're talking well over 700 horsepower, delivered instantly, brutally, and with that unmistakable AMG soundtrack. Acceleration is violent. With so little separating you from the outside world, every burst of speed feels amplified. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour happens in just a few seconds, but numbers almost don't matter here. What matters is sensation, the engine roar, the rush of air, the vibration through the chassis. This is driving stripped down to its rawest form. Handling is just as extreme. The PureSpeed sits incredibly low, with a wide track and advanced suspension tuned for precision. Active aerodynamics help keep the car planted, especially at high speeds where the lack of a windshield actually becomes part of the aerodynamic challenge. Mercedes engineers had to rethink airflow completely, making sure stability and downforce weren't compromised despite the open cockpit. Braking is handled by massive carbon, ceramic brakes, because anything less would be irresponsible at this performance level. When you hit the brakes, the car responds instantly, scrubbing off speed with confidence and control. Again, because there's no windshield, the sensation of deceleration feels even more dramatic. Your body feels every force, every shift in momentum. So why would Mercedes build something like this? The PureSpeed isn't about sales volume. It's about image, emotion, and pushing boundaries. Only a very limited number will ever be made, and every single one is already destined for collectors who want something truly rare. This is the kind of car you don't just park in a garage. You display it like art. At around $1–2 million, the PureSpeed is clearly not competing with regular supercars. It exists in a world of ultra-exclusive, passion-driven machines, cars that are bought not because they make sense, but because they make a statement, because they represent a moment in time when a brand decided to ignore practicality and focus purely on excitement. And that's what makes the Mercedes-AMG PureSpeed so fascinating. In an era where cars are becoming quieter, more digital, more automated, this thing goes in the opposite direction. No windshield, no roof, no filters between you and the road, just speed, sound, and sensation. It's not for everyone. It's not even meant to be. But for those who can afford it and dare to drive it, the PureSpeed offers something increasingly rare in the modern automotive world: a truly raw, unforgettable driving experience.